Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm ASKnowlin, and today's pop Q is don't aim for success if you want it. Just do what you love and believe in, and it will come naturally. And this is by David Frost. Alright, today we're going to talk about inequalities and, more importantly, how to graph an inequality. Alright, first, we're going to go ahead and talk about our first symbol here. Less than, okay? And we're going to just put some things down about this meaning. Is less than is one thing, okay? Now, with is less than, when we're talking about graphing, we want to make sure that we know that this is going to be an open circle. Alright. And we also want to note that the open circle means that the number is not included in the solution set. And the last thing we want to go ahead and note about this graph, or about this symbol, excuse me, is that you have to shade to the left. Okay, shade to the left. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at an example and see what this looks like. X is less than 5. Alright, so I'm going to put negative 5 here, 5 over here, okay? Now, go open circle. It's not included in the solution set, and I shade to the left. And I shade to the left because this is less than, and I know that numbers less than 5 are on this side of 5, on the left side of 5. So, shade. Alright, there's me shading. So, there's the graph of x is less than 5. And now, let's take a look at another one. Alright, the next one that we're going to deal with is greater than. Okay. Now, this one is also going to be an open circle. And this also means that the number is not included in the solution set. And with this one, we're going to shade to the right. Okay. Alright, so let's take a look. We'll say that A is greater than negative 2. Alright, so negative 2 goes here, 2 goes over here. Alright, open circle on negative 2. Negative 2 is not included in its own data set, and we're going to shade to the right. Alright, there we go, and that's what that graph looks like. Okay. Alright, the next one we're going to discuss is the next symbol that we're going to discuss. Oops, get that together. The next symbol is going to be less than or equal to is less than or equal to. Alright. This one is going to be a closed circle. Alright. Now this means that the number is included in the data set. The solution set. The number is included in the solution set. And we're going to shade to the left. Okay. Alright, so let's take a look at what this one looks like. Y is less than or equal to 3, negative 3 here, 3 over here, closed circle on 3, he's included in the data, and now we're going to go to the left, excuse me. And that's that. Alright, here's the next one. Or the last one. Alright, the last one we're going to talk about is going to be greater than or equal to okay. This is going to also be a closed circle. And because it's closed, that means that the number is included in the solution set. Alright. And the last thing, we're going to shade to the right. Okay. Alright. And our example is going to be b is greater than or equal to -4. Alright, so -4 goes here, 4 goes over there. Now, we're going to do a closed circle to represent that -4 is a part of this solution set. And we're going to shade to the right. Make sure you shade in the arrow. Okay. Alright, and that's it. That's today's lesson on inequalities and how to graph an inequality. Alright. See y'all later. Love y'all. Let me know how I did, man. ASKnowlin.